Why don't you just let go and quiet down your ego? Don't complain about finance. I know your daddy wasn't a real man. Go ahead and live your dreams. To me, you're stronger than a whole team.
Hello, my gingerbread and jelly bean. Welcome back to another episode of JVLOGS. Welcome to the Heights. It's a beautiful day, sunny and cold at the same time. Anyway, I'm dead tired as usual, but I'm heading on the road now. I'm heading to Manhattan, the business area, Wall Street section. So I should get a lot of nice footage there. I was going to Staten Island the other night. If you follow me on Instagram, you see the pictures, some beautiful pictures that I took on the ferry of Manhattan and Jersey City. Also, just a little glimpse at the Statue of Liberty. Never really get a good shot because the ferry never passed too close to it when it was going over. But yeah, apart from that, it was good. It was a nice little trip over there. However, the memory card full, so I have footage but I couldn't finish. So yeah, I put in a bigger memory card in this one now. Well, the same GoPro. I had an 8 gig in the first one, that wasn't enough. I put in a 32 gig from my old phone. I forgot I had a 32 gig in the old phone. So that footage that I had from Staten Island on Saturday, I didn't even edit it yet, as I have a video before that to give you guys. So you guys gonna get all these videos. So I'm just compiling videos now, so you guys can get these videos, and I can keep the channel going. Keep everything going, so everybody can be motivated and look forward to watching my videos. So that's one news that you guys can look forward to. Yeah, so far so good. Everybody is okay. People responding to my video about not talking about the killings and murders that's going on in Jamaica. Yeah, but apart from that, I wish I could stand up and sleep right now. I don't know if you guys see my face or my eyes, but I'm dead tired. So yeah, so when I reach, where should I reach? When I reach Manhattan, I'll start vlogging again, or if I see anything interesting on the train or wherever, I'll vlog about that as well. But yeah, so tune in, enjoy JVLOGS, and I really appreciate each and every one of you. So catch you on the flip side. Hey guys, so just come off train station, going down now on William Street. So I'm just gonna take in all the architecture, everything, all the footage, all that stuff. So this is just like a mural right here with steps going around. So this is really nice. I like stuff like this. It's art. So this is like a nice, I really like this right here. So for all the persons that enjoy art and stuff like that, it's like the valley. You can see the background over there and stuff. So I hope you guys, enjoy that. So going to William Street. So let's take in the architecture. Wow. So it's my first time coming in this side. First time coming out in this train station. So I literally don't know where I am, basically, but this is beautiful. Oh yeah, I know where I am now from the outside. So I need to go down William Street. But this is like a nice food court. So for all persons that live in New York and know where you are, and that's like kudos to you for that. So I think I'm going that side. But this is really nice like a food court. People come play chess and stuff like that. So based on what I'm seeing, so the architecture is really nice as well. And then that look like the waterfalls over there. So it's nice. Alright. So now to find my destination. Alright. All these high skyscrapers. Alright guys, so I'm going to try and find where I'm going. Yes, that way, William Street, because I was a bit lost for a second there. So making my way downtown, passing by. So on the map, so I'm trying to go on William Street. I don't know if it's right or left.
Making my way downtown, walk inside,
yeah.
faces passing.
Just making my way downtown. Passing by. And I need you. Into the sky. Alright, so I'm gonna check if I should go left or if I should go right. But I know I need to go somewhere. Oh, little birdie. Come here, birdie. Got that birdie right there. Oh, they're so big though. Well, it's winter time. They cover. They get cold in winter time, so they don't even care. They're still in it. They're not afraid of anybody, you know. Let me find where I'm going. So I need to go probably that way. Because Wall Street go down, so I need to go that way. So you can see they're in the streets. So I'm going where I'm going now. So I'm going that way. So it's really nice here in the city and stuff like that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoying this vlog, because I'm enjoying these vlogs in the city. It's just really nice being in the city, getting good shots and stuff like that. Yeah, so I really kind of enjoy all of that. So I'll be going on William Street, like a couple blocks down pretty much to resume. So I'm literally have a good distance to go, as you can see. Good little distance to go before I reach my destination over there. So you see it's blinking away. Yeah, so journey with me. Alright, some fancy outlets over there selling their jackets and stuff. De Janeiro, expensive, $5,000 place. Alright, I like these buildings, like this European style building. You see that split in the middle? Split in the middle. Hey, that jiggle.
Bro, they ready? Tell them, do that for me. Split in the middle. Make the two toys jiggle.
That goes, so it's in the middle pretty much. So these are just iconic buildings where they go like that. So you call it a triangle. And this is the same, because you see how the road splits. The road split in different directions, and the buildings actually take the shape. I think if you go on YouTube, they'll explain the reason why, because the road split and stuff. So it's a whole architecture marvel and stuff like that. Buildings splitting to take the farm, you know, or the roadway and see. It's really nice. So it's very interesting to see these still. So you know, I'm fascinated. I'm fascinated by them. Peeps, you're looking up, you're just looking straight up at these wonderful, you know, buildings and stuff like that. So these are really nice. It's really nice to see. So most of the movies, like famous movies and stuff like that, you know, Wolf of Wall Street and stuff, people don't watch them, they're shot in certain of these areas and stuff like that. So this is basically the business district when you think about it, you know, where I'm at right now, it's a, you know, it's the business district, and pretty much I'm where I need to be already. So this is another, like a little park area right here. So, you know, and that's the waterfront down there pretty much. So, you know, I'm right there. I might go over to the waterfront when I'm done and get some shots and stuff like that. So Lower Manhattan, you have the Indian house and stuff, so you can see. Yeah, so if you're into architecture like me, oh guys, look at this. Look how beautiful this is. Like the sunlight is just right over here. Look at that. Ooh, darkness into the light, darkness into the light. Ah, look at that sunlight. Look at the sunlight in the sun. Peeps, you guys don't understand that I'm idle. I like to idle out my days. So I'll see you guys later. Let's take care of business and then come back in this tall building here. That pretty one over there. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, so that was all for you and you. My hands are freezing and I'm going home. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, all the views, the beautiful architecture, the views, every single thing. More puppies. Hey, look at this little one go. So all the dog lovers, hope you guys enjoy those. I want to take it off into the horizon, into the horizon. Oh, this looks on the computer because it seems so far away, so I don't even know how it looks. But yeah, that was fun. That was quite fun. You're relaxing, love, aren't you? You're quite happy, love, I say. So about to get hit down. We cross this road now. Yes. So, alright guys, so I'll catch you guys later. My hands are cold, so I'm gonna get my hands warm and just head home pretty much, because that's what people do. They go home. Bye bye. And I'm out.